Hi, let's start by understanding what exactly is Databricks. So this is the official definition of Databricks from their website only. So Databricks, it is a unified open analytics platform for building, deploying, sharing and maintaining enterprise grade data analytics and AI solutions at scale. What really it means is, so Databricks, it is a unified solution where different people belonging to different roles, they come together, they perform their own job, and to do that Databricks is providing a unified platform where a single copy of data exists. That's what they call as unified data, and a single governance model comes into picture. So in Databricks platform, we perform ETL and real-time analytics to bring in our data, clean it and make it available for any kind of data analytics. So this role is mainly for data engineers. Then AI and data scientists, they perform their machine learning related tasks or AI related tasks. So they can use the data loaded by data engineers and do whatever they want to do. And within Databricks, we build the data warehousing solution as well. So a single copy of data, which is well managed, well cleaned, it is available for anybody to explore it. And we also can build business intelligence dashboards, Genie workspaces to explore the data and make the data available to business owners. And all these process of data loading, refreshing and making it available, we can orchestrate it within Databricks itself. So to perform all these tasks or different personas like data engineer, data scientist, business owner, data analyst, everyone, there is this unified single platform which is available. And this platform, it is available across all the clouds, and it can handle any amount of data that is being generated in any organization. So that's what Databricks do and that's what it provides. Next, let's understand how it all started. So in 2009, Mehtai Zaharia, he developed Spark, and in 2010 they made it open source and it became Apache Spark. Later on, these seven founders, they founded Databricks in 2013. Out of that, obviously, Mehdi Zaharia was there who developed Spark. With him was Ali Ghodsi, who is still the CEO of Databricks, and there were other founders. Although it was founded in 2013, it got the attention in 2015 when they beat the world record of processing 1 petabyte of data. So this was the competition they won, and that's when they caught everybody's eye that what is so special in Databricks that it is able to process 1 petabyte of data and beat every other technologies. Before this, there was mainly MapReduce and Hadoop being used, but they beat that and other companies as well, and they processed this data in the least amount of time. After that, it got lot of attention and it got lot of funding, and since the day it has never looked back. It has grown so much more. And even though as a company Databricks it is growing a lot, it is making lot of open source projects as well, which are not only contributing to Databricks but in general to the uh, open world also. It is making lot of contributions. So the biggest contribution, it was the technology which it was founded on, like the Apache Spark itself, which is a compute engine for parallel data processing, which supports multiple languages as well. After that, Databricks, they developed a Delta Lake and made it open source, which is a open source storage and sharing framework. And within Databricks, they also developed MLflow and then they made it open source as well. This is used to manage the complete machine learning cycle. And Redash, which was a separate company, and they had their open source product as well. In 2020, Databricks acquired it. After that, they have made more contributions, and this technology, it is used to do some data analytics and visualization of the data. And finally, the most important and the latest one is Unity Catalog. So this is also was developed by Databricks and later on it was open sourced. We can use it outside Databricks also if we want to do that. And Unity Catalog, it is a open multimodal catalog for data and AI related stuffs. So this was a quick introduction of Databricks. I hope you liked it. That's all for now. Thank you. Bye bye.